Yeah, let's concentrate on it. Uh, Today we are going to move with automation my entirely. But one thing I'm going to say, please remember these particular things. Manual testing, you need to practice for at least 2 hours per day. Don't forget, ma. How you have to practice it? Understand the client requirements thoroughly. Okay, understand the application before testing an application. After that, testing an application, second thing. Third one is defect reporting, writing defect reporting, preparing defect reporting. Don't forget these terms. Like that, okay, you tested Savari application, you reported bugs also. Right now, if you observe Savari application means there is lots of change. Just go and check with Savari application. Latest release came. Just check it out. What is this here? This is not updated. Yesterday I saw with the different panels. What happened? Hey guys, are you observed what is the difference? For whom? Hi stream, are you able to see my screen? Please respond ma.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Skype team, both the teams, are you able to see my screen? Just confirm. See here, savari.com and this is also savari.com. If you observe means there is a lots of difference. This is the old one and this is the new one. Got it?
Yes.
And look and feel and the brightness, each and everything it's changed. Have you observed ma compared this particular this application and this one? Got it? What I'm going to say? Latest
Yes, sir.
updates came. Hey guys, please let me know. Okay. Today you need to test this application with the latest update. Okay. And find it out the latest previous bugs, whether it is resolved or not. Latest bugs it's updated or not. You need to check it out. This is the latest version. Along with the banner images and the functionality flows, each and everything, it's rectified. But as observed that previous issues are same like that. Am I clear guys what I'm going to say? Like that you need to cross verify with the latest build with you reported issues. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do it ma today. Okay. Just we are moving to automation. Let's concentrate on it. Make it as a side heading. Selenium installations. Make it as a side heading. Selenium installations. Okay. For the Selenium installation, you need to open any one browser ma. Okay. Before that, make it as a note ma. If you want to install Selenium, you have to go with three files. What are the three files? You need to write it down. Okay. First one, Eclipse you need to download. What the thing ma? Eclipse. Both the teams, are you able to hear me? Second one, JDK. Third one, Respond. Please respond, ma. It's a bit of silent from both the teams. Eclipse, JDK. Hey guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. First one, Eclipse, you have to download. Second one, JDK. Third one, Selenium. Selenium server standalone or Selenium server jar file. You can make it as jar file. Okay. If you want to work with Selenium, my dear students, you need to download three files. First one is Eclipse, second one is JDK, and third one is Selenium server jar file. It has to present, okay, at your computer. Then only you can able to work with Selenium. Okay. First of all, you need to do one thing. Create a new folder and place all the download files here. Am I clear? So after that we can do it, ma. So first of all, try to do like this. Make it as a download folder. Okay. Make it as a download folder as empty. Okay, because you are going to download it latest files, right? So very first condition is you need to make it as a empty download folder and try to do it like this, ma. Make it as a first step. Open the Google page. In the Google page itself only you need to check it out. Okay, what's the configuration of the system? First of all, before going to Google page, ma, you need to check your computer configuration. Click on Windows button, click on PC. In the PC, right click on it. Okay, PC. Or else give me a quick minute. Yeah, open any folder, ma. Open any folder. You can able to see PC, this PC. Okay, write it as a first step. Go to PC. For that particular PC, how you need to go, ma? Open any folder. Okay, and search it for PC. Local disk C, D, E, F are available, right? Like that, you need to go with this PC and right click on that particular PC and go to properties. Then you can able to see at what type of system it is. It is a 62-bit or 32-bit or 64-bit. My system configured with 64-bit. Like that, you need to check it, ma. Once again, I am going to show you. Please concentrate on it. Open any folder, go to PC. This is the PC. Computer symbol is there, right? Right click on it and go to properties and check your system, what type of system it is. It's 64-bit, other one is 32-bit. So from today onwards you need to download all the 64-bit related softwares, all the 64-bit related softwares. So for the for that particular thing you need to go with Google Drive, I mean Google Page, and search it for ECLIPSC Eclipse 64-bit. Okay, free download. I will give you the best link, ma. Don't worry. Which one you need to go? Okay, just go with the first link. Okay, Eclipse 64-bit free download. First link you need to go, ma. So let's observe 2022 to 03. Okay, this is the latest version. Download with 64-bit. Like this, you need to download it. Automatically download, it will start here. Do it, ma, parallelly. You can do it. Each and every student, along with me, you can do it. Start your download. Come on, make it fast. Not responses. There is no responses, ma. You don't give response. You are
Sir,
doing,
we will do
you are
it.
sitting. I don't know really. Very good morning. What's your name? Yeah, Akil. No, no, no. For the sake of the other team. Okay. That's the added advantage for you. Okay, okay. You understood, right? You completed, right? Yeah, this is for the other team, ma. Okay. Okay. Hey, team. Try to
Yes, sir.
concentrate on this particular URL. Whatever I'm sending right now, just concentrate that particular URL, ma. I think it's better. Okay. Save it in one notepad, ma. Okay. This is the URL. Skype team, if you have that particular URL means it's good, ma. Otherwise, save the latest URL. Whatever the link I sent right now, just download it. I think just instead of going with generally with Google, I will give you that link. Just copy paste that particular link and download it. Sudha Pavani and Akil, have you navigated at least one single program in Selenium? I really forgot it, ma. Only installation only completed, right? Okay. For you, installation is also not updated, ma. But Akil is saying that, right? Installation completed. Okay, okay. Anyone? Anyway, just concentrate from here onwards, ma. Okay? Do it parallelly, ma. Both the teams, please do it parallelly. Click on the above link, whatever the link I sent you, right? Click on above link and do it out.
Okay, sir.
Once it's completed, please let me know. Skype team, are you doing, ma? Hi stream, are you doing, ma? Okay,
Sir,
please try to download it. Skype team, please do it regularly. Sudha Pavani and team, have you downloaded that file? It's downloading in progress. Okay. Meanwhile, just concentrate on it, ma. It will take some time to download, right? Don't waste our time. Meanwhile, just concentrate on it. Whatever the link I sent you, right? Please click on that particular link. Okay. Try to concentrate on it, ma. Again, we need to go with some other file. So I told you, right? JDK free download. Am I right or not? So Google pays JDK free download. Okay. Free download. Okay. It will redirects to Oracle Corporation. Latest version of the downloads we need to go with. Okay. Our system is Windows, right? So make sure that Windows, whatsoever bit, 64-bit, right? You need to click on 64. You need to click on 64 installer. This is the thing you need to go with. From these three, which one you need to go, ma? Second one, like this. Okay. Second one, you need to download it, ma. I'm sending you both the teams JDK link. Please try to download it simultaneously along with me. Once it's downloaded, okay, click on the above link. Once it's downloaded, you need to go and click on second 64 installer, download it. Okay, and after that, you need to go with Selenium. Selenium.dev. This is the official site for Selenium, ma. Selenium.dev. Third one, hey team. Third one, Selenium.dev. You have to go, ma.
okay, sir.
Here you need to click on downloads. Shall I give any time, ma? Here, have you downloaded
Yes, sir.
JDK? Parallelly, have you downloaded JDK? Once it's completed, please
No,
let
sir.
me know. Once it's completed JDK, please let me know, ma. Simultaneously, the download will begin. Okay. Later, you can do it out. Simultaneously, do the step, ma. It will process it. It will take some time to download, depending on your internet speed and each and
I can
everything.
issue an JDK file, sir.
Okay. Uh, I sent you in the link, right? Chart.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I sent you in chart. Please check it out. JDK link. If you click on it, automatically it's redirected. It's only for 64-bit guys. If you are using 32-bit, you need to change and look for 32-bit. Sorry, ma. It's downloaded or downloading. Whatever it may be, it's not an issue. Okay. After that, we can see. You can start the downloading simultaneously along with me. Okay. Can I go with the third step, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just go with this particular site, ma. Selenium.dev. What is the official site for Selenium? selenium.dev. This is the official site. Sudha Pavani and team, are you following? Amma Shakila, are you following ma? Sudha Pavan is not
Sir, actually,
responding.
I have given my lap. There is a small issue, sir. I'm noting down, sir.
Okay, please note it down. Okay. And after that, go to downloads. Selenium server standalone jar file. What is the latest version ma? 3.1.3. Selenium server standalone jar file. What is the latest version ma? 3.1.3. Okay, click on this particular thing automatically. Download it will start. Hey guys, this is the thing you need to
Yes, sir.
download like this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
If you check with download folder, okay, you can observe what is the main thing. Okay, all the three downloads it will available here ma. If you check it means why I told you you need to download, I mean in the download folder whenever you are going to download it should be empty because it's easy to catch whatever the files it's downloaded in your machine. Am I clear? So what is the first file? Eclipse. What would be the second file? JDK. What would be the third file? Selenium server standalone jar file. Okay, these three files are downloaded right successfully. Right now, you need to start installation. My dear students, first of all, write down a step. Okay, all the 3 points. Go to download folder. First one, Eclipse. Second one, JDK. Third one, Selenium jar file. All three files are available right. Next, installation process begins. Make it down. Installation process begins. Every student, after that, you need to do
Yes,
like
sir.
this. Okay, don't concentrate on simultaneously doing. Write down your I mean, take your paper and book. I mean, book and pen. Write write down each and every step, ma. Okay. After that, my class is over, right? After that, you can integrate each and every step with your installation process. This is the way of learning. Am I clear? Write it down.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Double click on Eclipse. Double click on Eclipse. Automatically Eclipse installer. It will come like this, ma. While you are doing installations, try to remember positive node only you need to follow. Yes, yes, yes. Next, next, next. Whatever it may be. If it is a yes, if it is a next, if it is a whatever it may be, you need to go with positive node. And try to download. Okay. Okay. This one, ma. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. First one. Which one you need to download, ma? Eclipse IDE for Java
First
developers.
one.
Okay, first one. You need to click on it. And after that, click on installation button. Am I clear?
Sir, can you repeat it once, sir?
There is no repetition, ma. Because if we go with back means it won't go. Just observe the screen before going that. Because this is the installation process, right? We can't go for back.
Okay, so we can see it a recording session.
Wait, 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 wait. For the sake of her, I want to go with back. Just give me a quick minute, ma. Please try to understand it a first time. There is no repetitions in the installation process. You need to observe each and every screen very clearly. So that's why I'm saying response is very important. If I want to wait, I will wait, ma. Try to understand. This is the installation process. Don't go with front. One of the girl, you asked right. What you need to do? Make it as a first thing, ma. Okay. Both the teams are you able to hear me? Please respond at least.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First one you need to go, ma. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Observe the figure image. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You need to click on it. Automatically it will come with install. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't ask. Please go back. Because it's the installation process. If you go with multiple times, duplicates will create. Then it leads to your program execution. Problems, ma. Installation process, if you are doing at a single sitting, it has to go. Okay, my dear students, in my in my system already it's installed. You have to do only one thing, install. You can click on install button. Automatically it will process like this, installation. Am I clear? Okay, I'm doing cancellation,
Yes,
ma,
sir.
because already it's installed in my system. Only one thing, if you click on installation, it will process like this. Okay. Hey guys, are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You need to click on next. Yes. Whatever it may be, positive note you need to go with. Sometimes it will ask, please accept the license. You can read it each and every sentence. And do not accept license, accept license. You need to click on accept license. It's not a problem, ma. Do with next. Yes, whatever it may be. Instead of no and negative flows, you have to do it with positive flows while in installation. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, once you installed Eclipse tool successfully, my dear students, please trust me, you can able to see Eclipse shortcut icon at your desktop once it's completed successfully. Once Eclipse installation completed successfully, Eclipse, this is the Eclipse icon, blue color with three dots, three white dots. Okay, I mean three white lines. This is the Eclipse image. Okay, it will show in desktop, ma. This is the Eclipse installer. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once Eclipse installation completed, Eclipse shortcut icon, it will display at your desktop. Am I clear? Next, you
Yes,
need
sir.
to go with second pattern. What would be the second pattern, ma? JDK. JDK you have to go with, right?
Yes, sir.
Downloads. Just give me a quick minute. Downloads. Next, you need to go with second one, JDK. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, before going to install with JDK, my dear students, please concentrate on this particular terminology. If your brothers or sisters or cousins, whatever it may be, you are using with their particular systems, means don't install JDK blindly, ma, because they are using their systems with the help of some JDK. Previously, it's there, means it will create impact and duplicates will create. Okay, my dear students, please check this. JDK feature is available previously at your system or not. Okay, try to make that checking of JDK side heading. Don't go with installation. You need to check in your systems whether JDK is installed or not. Okay, checking with JDK side heading and go to local disk C. You know, drives are available with your computer, right? Local disk C, D, E, F. You need to go with local disk C. Come on,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
go with programming files, program files.
Okay, sir.
My dear students, please check it out simultaneously along with me. Go to local disk C. In that particular local disk C, go to program files. In that program files, you can able to see Java folder. See here, you can able to see Java folder, means JDK installed in your machine. If there is no Java folder, means there is no JDK. Please confirm it, my dear students. How many students
Yes,
having
sir.
Java folder?
No, sir.
Very good, very good. Simultaneously, at least I want to listen your voice.
Yes, sir. We have
Yes,
the
sir.
Java folder.
Yes, sir, we have, sir.
Yeah. What's your name, ma? Those who are having
Vishnu. Sir.
Vishnu, try
Yeah.
to delete it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Those who are having Java folder, please try to delete it. It's not an issue. Skype team, do you have Java folder or not?
No, sir.
It's not there, right, ma? Okay, it's cool. Once it's deleted, please let me know, my dear students.
So complete it. Sir.
Okay. Next, you need to go with another checking pattern, ma. Okay. Once Java folder is there, means please try to delete it. Very first time only. Don't delete every time. Okay. Up to now, we didn't started installation also. Okay. Just go with another panel. Go with, I told you, right, PC. Where is the PC? This is the PC, right? In that PC, right click on it. Go with, okay, properties. Once again, I'm saying, ma, go to PC, right click on it, go to properties. In that properties, you have to go with, okay, okay, find a setting is there, right? You have to go with environment variables. Environment. Okay. Edit system environmental variables. You have to go with like this. If you want to search it, find a setting, right? Environment. Okay. Edit the system environment variables. My dear students, you have to open like this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And after that, try to click on environmental variables. One button it will come. Okay. And my dear students, please check it out. Okay. Path is available or not. If path is available, delete it. If path is available, okay, see here, there are user variables and system variables. My dear students, blindly you have to do it. If path is available, please delete it. Please select it and delete it. Okay, there is no path, right? Am I clear?
Yes, sir. It's
Okay, delete it. Okay, and same way you have to observe system variables. In system variables also you need to compare path. If path is available, what you need to do?
have to delete.
Delete it. Path text is available, you need to do? Delete it. Am I clear? With the
Yes,
name
sir.
of path, anything is there, you can delete it blindly. Am I clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
why, sir?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, this is the thing. I mean, my intention is to say that Java folder, I mean JDK installed. Once JDK is installed, then you can able to see Java file. If Java file by defaultly before, if you are not doing any action by before only, it's there means you need to do blindly Java file. You need to delete it, and after that, just come to environmental variables. Wherever the path is available, you can delete it. That simple thing you need to do it, ma. Those who are having Java folder, because that signs with previously it installed. Right now you are reviewing every Java related, JDK related file setup. Total you are removing. Once you remove, right, now it should be empty. It should be clear, right? Next you can go with the second pattern process. What the second pattern process? Download with, I mean you need to install JDK. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Next
sir.
start your down, I mean installation process. Ma, please concentrate on it. If there is no Java file, it's a plain and very clear, ma. It's pretty clear. If there is Java file folder means very first time, okay, that means you are not installed that particular Java folder, that JDK folder. So try to delete it. And after that, you just go with environmental variables and delete the parts. Once it's completed, next you are at second level. What's the second level? Install JDK, right? My dear students, please observe it. Right, double click on this JDK. Automatically JDK cup symbol it will come. Okay, try to click on yes, 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 yes. Okay, I don't want to install again. It will create duplicates, ma. Am I clear? What you need to do? Yes, 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 yes. Am I clear? If
Sir.
you do like that,
Yeah.
automatically, okay, once the installation is successfully completed, what is the proof, ma? Go to local disk C, programming files, you can able to see Java folder. If Java folder is available means what is that meaning? Successfully JDK installed. If we click on Java, you can able to see JDK file. Am I clear?
Yes,
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 sir.
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 Okay, once Java success JDK successfully installed, JDK means Java Development Kit. Okay, if JDK installed successfully, you need to do what the thing, ma? Go to local disk C. Okay, local disk C. Go to programming files. Go to Java folder. Go to JDK. Go to bin. Okay, you need to copy the bin. My dear students, please make it down. After successful installation of JDK, you need to go with path. Write it down, ma. Local disk C, programming files, Java, JDK. Okay, my dear students, don't forget. See here, this is the JDK, right? This is the Java folder, right? Go with Java folder. Go with JDK, and after that, open with bin. Then copy this particular URL. Write it down. We need to paste this particular URL in where, ma? Environmental variables. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Both the teams, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Simultaneously, please make it every note clearly. Okay, whatever the exact links you need to download it, I sent you, ma. And after that, each and every process, line by line process, I'm saying you, be practice well and try to complete this installation for tomorrow's class. Okay, for the smooth run of next class. Don't say my installations are not completed, it's showing error. Don't say like that. Okay. Ma, one thing you need to do. Yes. Okay, I will let you know, ma, after that.
Yes.
Come on, ma. Is it completed means please let me know. I will continue my class.
Complete.
Have you wrote that particular line?
Yes, sir.
Hey team, Skype team, what you are doing, ma? Totally silent. Sudha Pavani, are you there or not? What happened to you? Please respond, ma. I want to listen your voice, ma. Hmm. Hey, it's a single line of path, yeah. How much time you want?
Sir, where we copy, sir?
No, no, no. Just I'm saying that you just write that link and after that you can do it out. Okay. If you want to follow practically along with me, just come. I will let you know. Okay. Just copy it. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. My dear students, just go with environmental variables. Just make it as a copy. Okay. Copy this particular statement and go to environmental variables. How you need to go? TC, right click on it, properties, here system, find a system, right? You can go with environmental variables, edit system environmental variables. Now my dear students, you deleted path, right? Am I clear? You deleted path,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now in user variables, at user variables, you need to click on new. Don't create duplicates, ma. It should be a unique. Okay. If paths are available means delete it. If path is available means delete it. So you need to click on new. In that new, you have to write capital P A T H. Only P should be capital. P A T H, path. Okay. Don't confuse here. I will go with my H. Path and variable value, it should be like this. Am I clear? And try to make it as semicolon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it down, each and every student. Please write it down, each and every student.
Yes, sir.
Okay, path and copy the path. Whatever the path you copied, right? You need to paste it here. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My dear students, is it completed?
Complete.
Okay. Next, click on OK. This OK. Write it down. Click on Grand OK. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, what I am doing means whatever the
Yes, sir.
path, okay, that one you need to click on OK and Grand OK. Okay. And try to do it. Once it's completed, click on Windows button. Click on Windows button. Come on, my dear students, please check it out. Click on Windows button. This is the installation process here. You need to check it out. Click on Windows button. Sudha Pavani, please try to write it down. After that, you need to do it. Click on Windows button. Go to CMD. C for Chief Minister, M for Manager, D for Dedication, CMD. This is nothing but command prompt. It will open. Open the command prompt. Go to, click on here, type CMD. It will come command prompt. Double click on it, command prompt. Command prompt, it will open like this. Am I clear?
Yes,
Hey
sir.
guys,
Yes, sir.
let's
Yes, sir.
try to type it as Java, small letters. Very first time you need to type it as Java. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Once you type Java, you need to click on enter. Am I clear? It has to run
Yes,
like
sir.
this. My dear students, it has to run like this. If you observe, okay, if the system behaves like this, means you need to report a error. That means something went wrong. If anything is mismatched, means okay, it will goes with like this. Java is not recognized as your internal server. So you need to do it carefully. Java, without typo mistakes, you need to enter Java. It has to run like this. Then only you did successfully. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And after that, make it as a CLR. CLR is nothing but clear. CLR, clear. CLS, sorry. Not a CLR, CLS. Clear screen. What is that meaning? Clear screen. CLS. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, second one. Java C. You have to. What is that meaning? Java compilation you are checking. Java connection. Java connection you checked ma. Right now you are checking with compilation. Again, second time you need to enter Java C and try to click on enter. It has to run like this. Both it has to run like this. Then only your JDK process successfully completed. Ma, while you are
Yes,
doing
sir.
the action, if you face these type of problems like this, means you need to call me immediately. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I will try to sort it out. Successfully JDK installed. You need to check like this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ma, only one prerequisite condition. Those, if I asked question right, at that time, those who told already JDK installed, those people only will delete the path and JDK file. Rest of the people, it's a only one-time investment, ma. Do it regularly. Don't delete it. Once you delete, system won't work, ma. For the sake of first candidates, you need to delete it, right? So those who deleted already, it's there. Those who deleted, please don't do immediately installation process. Once you deleted the paths in JDK files, environmental variables, right? My dear students, immediately you need to restart your system and process the JDK installation after restarted the system. Am I clear? Don't do it immediately
Sir.
after the deletion because it
Sir,
will
for the first
adjust the
time.
system files. You need to restart your system and do the process. Those who deleted. Am I clear?
Sir.
Understood, right? Those who deleted paths, they need to restart their system and after that they need to continue with JDK installations. Am I clear?
Sir.
Shall I go and work with the practical order?
Sir, now for the first time that download the JDK file, we don't want to need to delete the path, sir.
No, 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 no. It's a fresh one, right? No need to delete. Those who are already having JDK paths, right? They deleted, right? After that, they need to restart it. Those who are a freshers, it's
Okay,
not
sir.
required. That's what I'm saying you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Shall I start my work, ma? Practical order.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Write it down. Write it down, ma. Each and every student. Okay. Third file is there, right? I will let you know where to do, what to do, when to do. My dear students, just make sure that wherever you want, okay, in local disk D, E, F, whatever it may be, wherever you want, you have to go with, okay, create one workspace folder. I am going with QA training, okay. In that particular QA training, I am going with new folder, okay. That folder name as DSDB workspace. You need to call it as DSDB workspace. This is the folder. Why I am creating this folder, ma? From today onwards, I need to give Selenium connection, JDK connection to my separate folder. That separate folder is nothing but a project folder. In real time, you need to call this project folder as workspace. What you need to call, ma? What is the importance of this workspace? Rather than saying in another folders, all the files, whatever the actions we are doing right now, from right now onwards, every action should place in where, ma? DSDB folder. Okay, DSDB workspace. This is the project workspace. Am I clear? My dear students, please write it down. Go to any drive and create a folder of workspace. That workspace name is DSDB workspace. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And my dear students, open that particular folder. Here, you need to click on the navigation bar. Automatically, it will go with the navigations, right? Copy it. Copy it. You need to copy this navigation. Once it's opened, only copy it because the inner layer you want. So that's why open it. The inner layer, you need to copy it. Am I clear, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Second step, go to Eclipse tool at your desktop, right? Double click on it, ma. Double click on it. Okay, it will open like this, ma. If you observe means 2022 06. Okay, right now 2022 to 03. From 2003 to 2022, we are using that file. My dear students, are you observed any notification at your screen? Come on, my dear students, please respond.
Sir.
Okay, my dear students, what I want to say here means, see, D colon Rajasthan Singer, it's the previous project name. That means what I am saving all the Selenium related files in that folder previously. If you observe means there are lots of files, Task Bhavani, Vsoft Automation, Gopi. Okay, like this, there so many names are available. So my dear team, you need to go with whatever the connection path of workspace you copied, right? Try to paste it. Try to paste it. What is the reason behind this? You are going to store all the actions, whatever you did from today onwards. It need to save in this particular file. Tomorrow, somebody ask you, I want 10th file. You can go to this particular folder and give it, right? It's easy, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So you need to copy paste the workspace here. Am I clear? Sudha Pavani and team. And click on launch. Automatically Eclipse will launch with welcome page. My dear students, please observe it. Once the Eclipse tool is successfully completed, okay, installation, then you can add Selenium Server standalone jar file. I will let you know, guys, what is the importance of Selenium Server standalone jar file. My dear students, it welcomes with welcome page. It came with welcome to page. You need to close this welcome page. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And my dear students, what I want to say here, Eclipse is the whiteboard. If you want to write the codes, that codes you are writing in Eclipse. It's like a notebook. JDK is the Java development kit. It's execution for entire Java programs. Selenium Server standalone jar file. This is related to Selenium jar files because developer want to make a code with the help of the Eclipse tool, JDK tool. They are developing the programs. We are using the development environment, but whatever the third file we are adding, Selenium related testing files, we are going to add it in Selenium jar file. With the help of the developer screen, utilization of the boards, we are writing our Selenium scripts with the help of the Selenium jar file. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
My dear students, please go with file. Next, make it as a side heading. After successful installation of Eclipse, working process begins. Hey guys, please respond here. Have you completed or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Sit, simply sitting silent. Once you do the action, you need to respond. For you only, I'm waiting, right? Go to file. Okay, this is called ribbon bench. Okay,
Yes,
in this ribbon bench, you have to go with file. Make it as file, arrow mark. Go to new, arrow mark, create Java project. My dear students, please follow ma. Go to file, new, you need to create Java project. For that Java project, you need to go others. Write it down. Go to file, arrow mark, down arrow mark, go to new, down arrow mark, go to others. Have you completed?
Yes,
doing.
sir.
Sorry. Okay. Click on others. You try to see Java folder. Java folder. In that particular Java folder, make it down. Java folder. In the Java folder, small icon is there, right? Click on that small icon. Then you can able to see Java folder, Java project. Make it as Java project. Click on next button. Here you need to write the project name. Here you need to write the, come on,
Name,
here
sir.
you need to write the
Project name.
Project name.
project name. You can go with banking. Okay, student project. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
My dear students, don't follow, okay, small letters, ma. Okay, B should be capital letter, S should be capital letter, P should be capital letter. But better look and feel. And make sure that Java SC 1.4 don't go with ma. Java SC 1.8 you have to go with. Change it to 1.4 to 1.8. Am I clear, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
And click on finish button automatically. My dear students, please observe the right side corner. What happened? Whatever the project you created, that's came or not?
Yes, sir.
Next, click on small icon. You observe GRE system libraries and SRC. SRC is nothing but source code. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Today you need to do right click on SRC. Come on.
Sir, can you show again?
To new. Create package. Once again, I am going to say ma, right click on SRC, go to new, create package. Am I clear? Come on, my dear students,
Yes.
please respond.
Yes, sir. Clear.
In that package, you have to write it down. See here, source folder, banking student project. Under that SRC folder, you are writing class programs. Click on finish. You created the package. Am I right?
So,
వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ప్యాకేజ్? ప్యాకేజ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ ఫోల్డర్. ఇప్పుడు మీ ఇంట్లో బంగారం ఉందండి, బంగారం మీరు వేసుకునే నైట్ డ్రెస్ లాగా సెల్ఫ్లో పడేస్తారా? పెట్టరు కదా. ఒక లాకర్లోనో ఒక బీరువాలోనో ఎక్కడో అక్కడ స్టోర్ చేస్తారా లేదా? సెస్ఆర్ నో.
Yes, sir.
ఇలాగే ఈ ఫోల్డర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? మీ నైట్ డ్రెస్లు, నార్మల్ డ్రెస్లు సెల్ఫ్లో పెట్టేస్తారు, కబోర్డ్స్లో పెట్టేస్తారు. అదే పార్టీ వేర్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి బీరువాలో పెడతారా పెట్టరా? ఒక మంచి సూట్ కేసులో పెట్టుకుంటారా పెట్టుకోరా? అంటే నా పాయింట్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. నేను ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రయారిటీకి ఆ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రయారిటీ ఫోల్డర్స్ పెడతాను. రేపు ఇంపార్టెంట్గా ఒక 10,000 ఒక బ్యాగ్లో పెట్టారు అనుకోండి, ఆ బ్యాగ్ బీరువాలో పెట్టారనుకోండి, మీ మదర్కి కాల్ చేసి చెప్పచ్చు, అమ్మ పలానా బీరువాలో పలానా ర్యాక్లో ఆ బ్యాగ్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ బ్యాగ్లో 10,000 సుధా పావని వస్తారు, ఆవిడకి ఇచ్చే అని చెప్తా. అదే ఇంట్లో ఎక్కడో ఉంది నెతికి ఎక్కడుందో ఇవ్వు అంటాం ఈజీయా, నువ్వు కరెక్ట్గా లొకేషన్ చెప్పి ఇవ్వమంటాం ఈజీయా?
Location.
That's what I'm going to say. If you want to work, you are working with some Bank of America related files. Bank of AM, America related files. You just create a package and say, go with BAMC folder, you can find it out. అంటే క్లాస్ రూమ్లో ఒక 10 ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బిఏఎంసీలో 10 ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు నువ్వు ఎస్ఆర్సీకి వెళ్ళి నెతుక్కుంటాం బెటరా, బిఏఎంసీకి వెళ్ళి పలానా 9th ప్రోగ్రామ్ తీసుకోమండం బెటరా? ప్యాకేజ్ అంటే అర్థమైంది కదా. ప్యాకేజ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ సూట్ కేస్. మీ ఇంజనీరింగ్ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ అన్నీ ఒక ఫైల్లో పెట్టుకున్నారా, లేకపోతే ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ ఒక్కొక్క సెల్ఫ్లో ఒక్కొక్క డిగ్రీ పడేశారా? చెప్పండి. ఒక ర్యాక్లో 10th క్లాస్ పెట్టి, ఒక ర్యాక్లో ఇంటర్మీడియట్ పెట్టి, లేకపోతే మీ టేబుల్ మీద ఇంజనీరింగ్ పెట్టారా? అవన్నీ కలిపి ఒక ఫైల్లో పెట్టారా లేదా?
yes, sir.
That's what I need to say, that package is nothing but a folder for easy to recollect. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే,
Sir.
దట్స్ ఇట్. సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, అన్వాంటెడ్గా నేమ్స్ రాసి నేను డిలీట్ చేసేస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను క్లాస్ రూమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్లో ఉన్నాను. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి అమ్మా. ఫస్ట్ సెలీనియం జావా క్లాస్. ఓకే, నేను ఒక క్లాస్ని క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, ఎందుకంటే జావాలో ఎవరిని పిలిచినా క్లాస్ కిందే పిలవాలి. రైట్ క్లిక్ ప్యాకేజ్ మీద చేసి న్యూకి వెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ జావా క్లాస్ తీసుకోండి. రైట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ప్యాకేజ్, గో టు న్యూ, క్లిక్ ఆన్ జావా. కమ్ ఆన్, ఓన్లీ 10 minutes more ma. Next batch is
Yes,
waiting
sir.
for me. Okay, click on Java class. Here, if you observed means, చూడండి, banking student project, package, classroom package, each and everything it came perfectly. If you didn't maintain this package, automatically it will throw an error, right? This is called hierarchy. This is the first hierarchy. Second hierarchy, SRC. Third hierarchy, see here, first hierarchy, second hierarchy SRC, third hierarchy classroom programs. So I told you in a hierarchical structure. Hierarchical structure అంటే ఏంటి? మీ తాతగారు ఆస్తి మీ ఫాదర్కి వస్తుంది, మీ ఫాదర్ గారు ఆస్తి అంటే మీ యొక్క పేరెంట్స్ ఆస్తి వాళ్ళు ఉంచితే మీకు వస్తుంది, మీరు కూడా ఉంచితే మీ పిల్లలకు వస్తుంది, మీ పిల్లలు కూడా ఉంచితే వాళ్ళ పిల్లలకి వెళ్తుంది, వాళ్ళు ఉంచితే, ఉంచకపోతే గోవిందండి. Am I clear what I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
Hierarchical structure. Hierarchy అంటే అర్థమైంది కదండి?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Next, name. You need to go with name. Class name starts with capital letter. Okay, today I'm going to work with, okay, Google page, Google. Google. Am I clear, my dear students? So that
Yes,
is why
sir.
my class starts with capital letter. And click on, try to select public static void main. Public static void main. Checkbox. Hey, checkbox. Click on finish. Automatically you can observe the beauty of Java program. By default, it will create the structure of Java program. Are you understood, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are not happy with this particular font size, you can go with Windows preferences. My dear students, please, Windows preferences, here type here, right? You can go with font font. You can go with color and font. Automatically you can go with basic. Here you can able to say text font. You should be go with at least 12, then it can be easily apply and close. Then you can observe the difference of font size.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you want to go with, my dear students, just observe it. Okay, public class Google. Google is the class name. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
observed, ma? 2 days back I told you Java basics. Public class simple. Simple is the class name. Like that, Google is the class name. This is called open parenthesis, closed parenthesis. For Telugu people, Misala bracket open, Misala bracket close. Okay, see here, open parenthesis, closed parenthesis. This
Yes, sir.
open parenthesis is nothing but starting of the program. This is nothing but, okay, closing of the program. ఈ క్లోజింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూడండి, స్టార్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇది, క్లోజింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇది. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మెయిన్ మెథడ్. అంటే నేను అనే వ్యక్తిని, అంటే మీరు అనే వ్యక్తి గూగుల్ అనుకోండి, హ్యూమన్ బాడీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ గూగుల్ అనుకోండి. ఓకే, హ్యూమన్ బాడీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ గూగుల్ అనుకోండి. ఈ హ్యూమన్ బాడీ బతకాలి అంటే ఏముండాలి? పార్ట్ ఉండాలా వద్దా?
Yes, sir.
బాడీలో అతి ముఖ్యమైన పార్ట్ ఏది?
Heart.
పార్ట్ ఏనా కాదా?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Heart only.
అదే ఒక జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా హార్ట్ లాంటిది ఏంటండి? మెయిన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. అసలు హార్ట్ సరిగ్గా పనిచేయట్లేదు అనుకోండి, మనం ఈ టెస్టింగ్ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకుంటామా?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
పాయింట్ అర్థమైందా? ఒక మనిషికి గుండె ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంటో, జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ కి ఏది ఇంపార్టెంట్?
Main method.
main method. Main method is the heart of the program for Java program. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
మీరు ప్రతిరోజు లెగుస్తారండి, మీకు నచ్చిన కర్రీ వేసుకుని భోంచేస్తారండి, వీలైతే బిర్యానీ తింటారండి. ఒక్కరోజు కూడా హార్ట్కి గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ చెప్తారా చెప్పరా? దాని
Yes,
పని
sir.
అది చేసుకుంటుందని వదిలేస్తారండి హార్ట్ని. కానీ హార్ట్ దాని పని అది ఎలా చెబితే చేసుకుంటుందో, ఇక్కడ కూడా మెయిన్ మెథడ్. మీరు గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ చెప్పినా, మీరు హార్ట్కి హాయ్ చెప్పినా, దాన్ని పట్టించుకున్నా పట్టించుకోకపోయినా, అర్థమైందా, దాని పదది సవ్యంగా చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతుందండి. సో హార్ట్ ఉన్న విషయం అనే దాన్నే పక్కకు పెట్టేస్తాం మనం. అంటే ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఏంటి అంటే హార్ట్ ఉంది, ఆ హార్ట్ దాని పని అది చేసుకుంటుందని పక్కకు పెట్టేయాలండి, కిందకి పెట్టేయండి. ఓకే, జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్కి మెయిన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అనేది హార్ట్ అండి. నేను మీకు ఇది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లిసన్ దిస్, ఐ మీన్ పాస్ట్ 2 days క్లాస్ మీన్స్ పబ్లిక్, విజిబుల్ టు ఎవ్రీ వన్, స్టాటిక్, విఐపి, లైక్ ఏ సిఎం కేసీఆర్. ఓకే, సిఎం
Sir.
కేసీఆర్ స్పెషల్ పర్మిషన్ లెటర్, void, shouldn't return anything. Main is the heart of the particular program, starting point, string arguments. Have you recollect this particular public static void main మా? మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా నేను దీని గురించి చెప్పాను, మాట్లాడాను?
Yes, yes, sir.
So my dear students, you need to do only one thing ma, try to drag public static void main method to just down. That's it you need to do. And you need to create methods. You need to create methods. So before going to say this class and methods, I need to say some basic standards. What is class, what is method? Okay, after that we'll see this particular topic ma. Okay, today we are going to launch with only one basic standard. Okay, that basic standard, okay, I think it's not possible. We need to go with class object. Okay, just up to here do it ma, just leave it. Okay, tomorrow
Okay, sir.
we'll discuss the topic, otherwise you may confuse. Okay, up to
Yes,
here
sir.
every student has to do the homework and come. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Skype team, is it clear for you, right? Okay, మీలో ఎవరైతే చేస్తారో మీ యొక్క వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్లో నాది ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యింది అని మీరు, ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ కంప్లీటెడ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై నేమ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై ఫోన్ నెంబర్, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ కాంటాక్ట్ మీ అని నాకు వాట్సాప్లో మెసేజ్ పెట్టాలి. ఎందుకు అంటే మన పని మనం చేసేసుకున్న తర్వాత మిగతా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరన్నా ఆగిపోతే వాళ్ళకి మీరు హెల్ప్ చేయాలి. రేపటి క్లాస్కి నాకు ఇన్స్టాలేషన్స్ అవ్వలేదు అని సమాధానం వద్దు. ఏ స్టూడెంట్కి ఆ స్టూడెంట్, ఆగిపోయిన స్టూడెంట్కి హెల్ప్ చేయాలి. ఆమె క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
సో ఇది ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? వాట్సాప్లో మీకు ఎవరైతే కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిందో, ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ కంప్లీటెడ్, ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై ఫోన్ నెంబర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై నేమ్, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ కాంటాక్ట్ మీ అని మీరు అలా పెట్టగలిగితే మనం ఇంకొక నలుగురికి సాయం చేసినట్లు అవుతుంది. తద్వారా ఏమవుతుంది, మన క్లాస్కి బ్రేకేజ్ కాకుండా ప్రతి స్టూడెంటు సేమ్ లెవెల్లో ఉంటారు. దిస్ ఈస్ ద వే ఆఫ్ ప్రాక్టీస్. Am I clear? This condition should apply for both the teams. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it right?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we'll start our practical session. Okay, and I will let you know the third concept, Selenium server standalone jar file, right? That I will reveal tomorrow ma. Have a great day. Bye both the teams.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, tomorrow class is there, sir.
Tomorrow
Tomorrow
Saturday,
festival
right?
no, sir.
I will sorry, tomorrow is the Ugadi, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
I forgot it, yeah, because one of the holiday it missed. So Saturday is our holiday, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Sundays.
Yeah, tomorrow just take the leave, ma. Okay, on Monday we'll
Yes.
continue. Okay.
Okay.
And before
Thank you.
that, my dear students, please don't go out.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the homework for Sunday. Tomorrow you can just enjoy it. The homework for Sunday. Try to recollect all the manual testing topics. Okay. And try to do testing for Facebook application and come. Ma. Do the testing for Facebook application and come. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Both the teams. Okay, guys. Bye. Have a great day. Happy Ugadi advanced.
Thank you, sir. Wishing you
Thank you, sir. Same
Yes,
to you.
sir. Yes.
Same to
Bye,
you.
ma. Bye. Have a great day.